Here we go, here we go, here we go. Today we are going to show you how to change the actual chlorine output, okay? If your chlorine is too high, you're gonna wanna lower it, and if it's too low, vice versa. So you're gonna have to hit the diagnostics button until you see a number followed by the letter P, okay? P, that's 10% of the desired output. So my chlorine level was a little low this week, so I'm going to raise it up to 15. If it's really low, you're going to want to raise it. And I guess the question is, how do you know the correct amount? You're going to have to trial and error after a couple of weeks or even a couple days. Like I would probably come back in 2 or 3 days and see if, let's get back to there. I'll come back in a couple days, I'll recheck the chlorine level, and if this was not high enough, I would boost it up even higher, okay? If it was too high, I would probably go back down, okay? And after a couple of corrections here, you should figure out for your pool and how much usage you actually have, the desired output, okay? So again, if the chlorine level is too low, let's get back in there. Oh. If the chlorine level is too low, we're going to raise the percentage, okay? If the chlorine level is too high, you're going to lower it. And again, how much do I raise it and lower it? Depends on the time of the year, how long you're running your pump, how much usage of people using it. It's called bather load, and those are all different variables, but it's the winter time, nobody's really using it. Let's get back in there, and it was at a 10%, right? And nobody was really using it, so, but the chlorine was a little low, so I just want to get it just a little bit higher, so I'm going to leave it at 15%. I'll come back next week. If this was a good adjustment, I'll leave it. If it was not enough and the chlorine is still lower than what I want, I will raise it to 20. And if it's too high, I'll probably raise it back to 10 and just keep playing with it every week. If you're a homeowner, I would say every few days. Let's get back in there one more time. Every few days. There we go, every few days, check your chlorine level, play with it until you get the desired amount, and then once a week, just check your chemicals along with your chlorine and raise it and lower it as needed. See you next time.